Okay, so I'm not sure how much you know about Canvas and how much you don't, so I'm just gonna pretend like you don't know anything. So we'll start with the dashboard. So when you go to rcas.instructure.com, it'll take you to your dashboard, and then sorry. And then right away, I believe when you log in to your class, it's going to go straight to your modules. So this is going to be your home page, and I'll show you how to fix that. So first of all, you want to go to settings, and under course details, you want to add an image here. And then to put the announcements on your homepage, you'll go to more options, click on show recent announcements on course homepage, and you'll put however many announcements you want, how many recent announcements you want to show up. And then you'll update course details. And then you go to navigation, and the items up here will show on your student's Canvas page. The items down here will not. Okay, so, and as you can see here, these have crosses through them because your students will not be able to see them. And so you'll want to move, some of these will be up here on yours, and you'll want to move them down here. Okay, and then you'll save that. Okay, then you'll want to go to, in order to create a home page, you'll want to go to pages and view all pages. So then it shows you all your pages that you have. So you'll add a page, and you can name it DL Biology, whatever the name of your course is. And then down here you can add photos, upload image. So you can either get one from your computer, or you could pick one on Unsplash and add that to your page. When you add a picture, it'll allow you to change the how big it is by clicking on the image and clicking image options, and then going over here and deciding what size you want it to be. Okay. And then I'm not completely sure, I'm going to save this. I'm not completely sure on my home page how I was able to get this guy. So when I click it, it goes straight to my modules. However, if you go to Commons, you can type in homepage, and it'll come up with all these different types of home pages. And then you can just, the Commons is right here. This is the Commons button. Sorry, I just quickly moved over to another tab, but the Commons button is here. And then you'll click import download, and then you can import it into whatever class you have. So you'll click there and then import into course, and then it'll show up back in your pages. Okay, so I have, let's say this is my page that I downloaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to home, and I'm going to go to choose homepage. And so yours, if the modules come up right away, it'll be course modules. And so you'll click pages front page. If it doesn't give you that option, which I've seen, then that means you need to go to pages and use as front page. So you got to click that, which it's not showing up right now because this is my front page. But anyway, so you click that, use as front page, and then you can go home and choose your home page, and it'll let you click that Okay, and then you can edit your home page however you would like to. Okay. So there's that. I really hope that made sense. Felt like I went through that really fast. And then for home, for modules, then you'll click on modules. To add a module like this gray bar, you'll just click here and put the name of the module. I'm putting 2 just because I already have 1 up there. Okay, so that'll show up. And then to add the assignment or add the guided notes, you'll click, you'll have assignment here. Click new assignment and then whatever the name of it. Like mine was Intro to Mythology. You'll add item and then you will click on it, edit. You can put any information here that you want and then you'll upload the document. And you got to get it from your computer, wherever you have the document. Mine's on my desktop. So I have uploaded all of my guided notes. And you'll submit. Which just gotta give it a minute to download. And then you said you don't want any points attached to it. Submission type, online, file uploads. And then if you want to put a due date, which I don't think you do, and then you'll save it. Okay, and then when you go back to modules, it'll show up here. Okay, so then for the next one, you'll add another module, and so on and so forth. So, and let's see, just so you can see what my student view looks like. So they're going to see the recent announcements, and they can also go to the announcements page, which will have all their announcements here. I just put my week 1 office hours in my Zoom meeting, also my email. And then they're going to have the modules, which I have all of them here. And I did put a prerequisite, but I don't think that stops them at all from still downloading these, even if they haven't gotten these done. So yeah, they have home, announcements, and modules, which is pretty simple. Only 3 areas, and then the recent announcements will show up here. If there's anything that I did not answer on what you need to do, please feel free to ask. Okay, thank you.